Continuing that again. So what is the galaxy, daddy? So father is explaining to him, galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Our galaxy Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies in the universe. See the picture, this is the Milky Way galaxy. So now again asking Imayan, okay daddy, what is solar system? Father is explaining about him. Solar system consists of the sun, the planet, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. These objects are gravitationally bound. So Imayan again asking, very interesting dad, tell me about our solar system. So again father explaining about that solar system. So what is solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. The outer planets are gaseous planets. What is that outer planets? The outer planets are gaseous planets. What are that planets? They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the outer planets. These planets are gaseous planets. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So what are the rocky planets? So what are the inner planets? They are rocky planets. What are the planets? They Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are called terrestrial planets. What they called as? These are terrestrial planets. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. So Uranus and Neptune is a frozen planet. Why? Because they are not getting that heat from that sun. That two planets are far away from the sun. So the two planets are called a frozen planets. Imayan. Then where is our earth, daddy? He is asking about our earth. So the earth is the third planet from the sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. So earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is a fifth planet and a third planet from the sun. The earth is the third planet from the sun and it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is said that the earth is rotating itself and at the same time revolving around the sun. Is it true? So he is asking one question, one doubt. So everyone is telling earth is rotating itself and revolving around the sun. Is it true? He asking to his father. So what his father is telling? Yes, it has two movements. The earth has two movements. They are rotations and revolution. What are they? Rotation and revolution. The earth rotates on its axis. What it is doing? It rotates its own axis. It is called rotation of the earth. It also revolves around the sun. It is called revolution of the earth. So day and night are caused due to the earth's rotation. Seasons are caused by earth's revolution. Life is possible only on earth because of the presence of land, air and water. So compared to other planets, life is not possible because there is no land, there is no air and no water. Only the earth is the planet, the life is possible. Okay. So how many seasons are there? See, summer season, winter season, southwest monsoon season and northeast monsoon season. Okay. Oh, see, what is the distance between the sun and the earth? The distance is nearly, it is not a confirm, it is nearly, that's approximately 150 million kilometer between the sun and the earth. Say some interesting facts about planets that Mercury and Venus lie near the sun. So Mercury and Venus is the near to the sun. Next to Earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets nearer to the sun are very hot. So which planets are near to the sun? Yes, Mercury and Venus. Though that two planets are very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. So those planets are very far away from the sun. So it is very cold planets. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is called Earth's twin. Mars is described as the red planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Saturn is the ringed planet. So understood this, ma? Wow, amazing. Where do we live on the earth? So it is a very amazing fact. No, so we are living in the earth. It is an amazing one. So we live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. So what the planet we are living? It is we are living on the surface. So the earth is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents, what are they? Listen, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Which is the biggest continent? The Asian continent where we live is the biggest of all. So all the other continents, Asia is the biggest continent. So India also lying in that Asia continent. And Australia is the smallest one. The Antarctica is the continent full of snow. So that place is fully covered with snow. So that planet, that continent is the cold planet, colder continent. What are the 5 oceans, Daddy? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Do you know that around 97% of the Earth planet's water is in the ocean? So, in our planet, 97% of water is in ocean. Is it so, Daddy? Yes. Around 71% of our earth is covered by salt water and that is called as ocean. So about 97% of planet is covered by ocean. In that 97%, 71% is salt water. So what is the remaining? Only 2.5% of water is fresh. 2.5% of water is fresh and 1% of it is easily accessible. So apart from that 2.5 percentage, only 1% only accessible, 1% only we are getting. Thank you, Daddy. Today I have learned a lot about the earth from you. Now I am going to study and do my homework. Okay, Imea, go and study. See this picture, ma. This is the Birla Planetarium. It is situated in Chennai. Okay, it provides a virtual tour of the night sky and the planets of the solar system. Thank you, children.